Welcome back, language enthusiasts. Building on our last session, let's delve deeper into the beauty of language and culture together. So, in the last class, we have learned about the consonants of Hangul. I hope you remember that we have 24 letters in Hangul, right? So we have 14 consonants which we covered in the last video, and today we are going to learn the remaining 10 vowels. Now let's get started. We begin with the first vowel, that is A. A. Now let's see what is its stroke order. So first you have to put a line 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This makes you ah, ah, ah. Next letter is ya, ya, ah, ya. So you don't need to worry for this. You just need to add one extra line. So you have to put one line and then two and then three. That's it. One, two, and three. And that makes your ya, ya, ah, ya. Next we have o. Or. For or, you just need to write the opposition of a. So a we write from the right side and o we have to write from the left side. So you just need to put one line and two line. One and two. That makes your o. O. A, ya, o. Next we have a fourth vowel, that is yo, yo. For yo, you just have to write three strokes. One, two, and three. One, two, and three. Just three strokes and it's done. So a, ya, o, yo. Let's repeat it again till here. A, ya, o, yo. Next, we have a fifth vowel, that is of just two strokes. You need to write one and two. One and two. So just two strokes and it's done. This is your O. O. A, ya, o, yo, o. Next we have yo. Yo. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo. So for yo, you need to write 10 strokes. Sorry, 3 strokes. That is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Just 3 strokes and it's done. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo. Next we have a vowel that is oo. Oo. For oo, you need to write 2 strokes. That is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You just need to write a D basically. So just need to write 1 and 2. And that makes your oo. Oo. Let's revise till here. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, oo. Next we have you. You. For you need to write 3 strokes. So first one will be like this. 1 and then 2 and then 3. Easy, right? Just how you write pi in maths. It will be like 1 and 2 and 3. You. You. A, ya, o, yo, u, you. That's it. Next we have our ninth vowel. That is sound. U, u. So we need to write just one stroke. That is this, this. And it's done. Sound. So will come out just from your throat. So you have to say oo, 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 oo. Okay? So is our ninth vowel. And the last one is E. For E, you need to write just one line. And that's done. E, E, A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, 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 E. Let's revise it again. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, E. Now let's see the picture and do a revision again with counting that how many stroke orders are there. So the first one is A and we have two stroke order, 1 and 2. Next we have Ya with 3 stroke order. Next we have O with 2 stroke order. And then a fourth vowel is Yo, which contains 3 stroke order. Our next vowel is O, which has 2 stroke order. Next we have Yo, which have 3 stroke order. Then we have U, which has 2 stroke order. And then we have U, which has 3 stroke order. Our second last is U, which just has 1 stroke order. And the last one is E, which has 1 stroke order. I know that vowels in Korean is very easy to learn. You just need 10 minutes and it's done. Now, I'll also give you a song to learn these vowels. You can sing A, ya, o, yo, u, in. Shall we do it again? A, ya, o, yo, e. And it's done. All the 10 vowels you have learned in just a few seconds. Now, as we move ahead, we are going to learn the double vowels.